Hey, beautiful souls. Today we will review the goddess pose. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for updates on my latest videos. The goddess pose is a hip opening squat pose that can strengthen the body. The goddess pose helps to strengthen your core, thighs, knees, quads, ankles, and feet. It also tones the glutes, groin, and tones the upper body if you are practicing the cactus variation or keep your arms out to the sides. Because you need to keep your torso lifted and lengthen the spine in the cactus pose variation, this pose will open up your chest and rib cage, which helps you to take deeper breaths and increase lung capacity. The goddess pose also stretches your psoas muscle and hamstrings and opens your hips. Practicing this pose can improve balance and reduce lower back pain. It can even strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. So if you're looking for a yoga pose that can strengthen your lower body and increase your breathing capacity, this is the video for you. So let's begin. You will start in Tadasana standing tall with your arms by your side and your palms facing forward. Inhale, then exhale while you step both feet out to your sides with your toes turned out at a 45-degree angle with your heels turned in more than hip distance apart. Place your hands on your waist. Inhale, then exhale and engage the core and squat down by bending your knees. You can adjust if you need to make sure your knees are aligned with your ankles at a 90-degree angle. Tuck your pelvis in and lengthen through your spine while pressing into the mat with your feet. If this feels comfortable, you can include arms. You can bring your arms out in a cactus shape by bending them at the elbows and facing the palms forward. You can lift them straight up overhead. You can bring them into a prayer pose, or you can leave them resting on your legs or your hips. You also have the option of lifting the heels off the mat to increase the difficulty for your calves, ankles, and feet muscles. Choose which variation feels best for you, and we will hold this pose for 1 minute. And remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now to get out of the pose, lower your heels if you had them lifted. Bring your arms back to your waist if you had them overhead. Slowly lift up out of your squat and bring both legs back to center into Tadasana, bringing your arms to your sides. And that is how you do the goddess pose.